Take down your max class note and write today's date 9/12/20 and today's day Wednesday, 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 December. This month name is December, DECEMBER, December. And write the first home letter mental sums and write 1 to 5 numbers. Students, all of you start write the mental sum. The first one, 60 into 20, 60 into 20. And the second one, 123 into 10, 123 into 10. And the third one, 560 into 100, 560 into 100. And the fourth sum, 7001 into 0, 7001 into 0. And the last sum, 9 into 9, 9 into 9, 9 nines are. Okay, have all finished? All of you check out your mental sum answer. And the first one, 60 into 20. And 60 into 20, you should first of all multiply the full numbers. That is 6 into 2. 6 into 2, 12, isn't it? And here also 1 0, here also 1 0. And you should add 2 zeros. And this is answer, 1200. And the next one, 123 into 10. So, if you multiply the 1 with 1, you should write the same number, isn't it? 123 into 1, 123. And just add only 0. So, answer is 1230. And the next one, 560 into 100. And immediately you should write the 560 into 1, 516. The same number, just adding only 20 because in the 100 having 2 zeros. And 7001 into 0, 0. And 9 into 9, 81. Okay, have all finished? How many of the got full mark, ma? It's very good, students. Students, listen carefully. Today, Rohan's birthday. He wants to distribute the chocolates among his friends. He has 8 chocolates. He wants to give 2 chocolates to each of his friends. Now he is wondering how many friends can he distribute these 8 chocolates to. He wants to divide 2 by 2 his friends these 8 chocolates by giving. Now Rohan starts to think, can I use number line for division too? Yes, here he wants to try out 8 divided by 2 using number line. Let us see how he do it. 8 divided by 2, that is 8 jumped back in steps of 2. 8 jumped back in steps of 2. The starting point at the jump 8 divided by 2, that is 8 is the starting point. And the next one, the size of each jump, that is 8 divided by 2, 2 is the size of each jump. And the jumps must end at the 0. The jumps must end at 0 only. Then only your answer will correct. Let us see how he do the 8 divided by 2 on number line. 8 divided by 2. So first of all you have to draw one line. Put arrow mark 2 side. So put the point at the equal distance. And up to 8 you should write the number from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then you should starting point from 8. And you should jump at 2 times, two steps. That is, you should leave the 8, 1, 2. And the starting point from starting point 8 jumped at 2 steps because the number given the 2 steps. And he has 8 chocolates and he give 2 chocolates to everyone. to his friends, isn't it? So first of all give 2 chocolates, and again he give 2 chocolates, again he give 2 chocolates, again he give 2 chocolates until he got 0, isn't it? So, and here how he jumped towards left hand side, isn't it? You put the number arrow mark like this. And how many chocolates here? 2 chocolates. Here also 2 chocolates. Here also 2 chocolates. Here also 2 chocolates. How many members? And he count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, he got the answer. And his friends, how many members? How many members his friends? Yes, 4. That is 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. So, 4 friends. How many friends? 4 friends. In 4 friends, he give 2 chocolates to each one. Isn't it? Yes. Okay. And the next example, listen carefully. 20 divided by 4. How you read 20 divided by 4? And 4 is the divisor. 4 is the divisor. And the 20 is dividend. The 20 is dividend. Okay. And the next two here is quotient. Okay. And first of all, the starting point. And you should write the number up to 20. Draw one line and you should write the number 0 to 20. Why you write the 0 to 20? Yes, here the sum is given 20 divided by 4. So the first number is 20. You should write the number, first number up to 20. And the starting point also 20. How many numbers you have to jump? Yes, 4 steps, isn't it? 4 numbers you should jump. So you leave the first answer 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. From starting point of 20, you jumped 4. Again you jumped 4. Again you jump 4. Again you jump 4. Again you jump till the end of 0. Till the end of 0. Okay, how you jumped? Yes, here towards, you should jump here only, towards this only, this way. Isn't it? That is the left hand side, towards left hand side. Here how many numbers? 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. After that, you should count how many numbers, how many times you jumped. How many times you jumped? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times you jumped? That is the answer. 5 times you jumped. How many times you jumped? 5 times you jumped. So that is the answer. 20 divided by 4 equal to 5. So we got the answer 5, isn't it? Okay, listen again. I'll tell again. Listen. So 20 divided by 4 is the question. And you should write the number from 0 to 20 because the starting number is 20. So you should write the number up to 20. And the starting point also 0. So you should, 20. So 20, from 20 you should jump at 4 numbers. Yes, from the 20 you should jump 4 numbers, again 4 numbers, again 4 numbers, again 4 numbers, again 4 numbers. Finally you should count how many times you jumped. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times you jumped. So circle the answer. That is the 5 times you jumped. You got the answer 5. Okay, this is the number line. It is very easily, no? Students, all of you take down here. Max class note and write the second room letter division number line. So that is the first sum is 10 divided by 2 equal to dash. 10 divided, how will you read? 10 divided by 2 equal to dash. And immediately what is the here? What is the here? Which is the greatest number? 10, isn't it? You should write the number up to 0 to up to 10. First of all, draw one line. And after that, you should point at equal distance and write the number from 0 to 10. So 0. So first number is 10. So you should start with 10. You should start with 10 here. And the next number, skipping number is 2. So you should skip on 2 by 2. Okay. So that is 10 to 2. 1, 2. Again, you should find the answer and 1 2. Again 1 2. Again 1 2. And how you jumped towards this side? So you should put the arrow mark this side. Have you jumped towards this side? That is the left hand side. And put the how many numbers here? 2 numbers here. 2 again 2 numbers. Here 2 numbers. Here also 2 numbers. Here also 2 numbers. How many times you jumped? Yes, first calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many times you jumped? 5. So the answer is 5. Answer is 5. So 10 divided by 2 equal to 5. So 5 is the answer. Again you should check out on this answer is correct, whether this answer is correct or not. And you should say the 2 table up to you get the product of 10. And that is 5 into 10 equal to 5 into 2 equal to 10. Isn't it? 5 2s are 10. Isn't it? So your answer is, your sum is correct. Okay. And again I'll tell, and you should write the 10 up to number, and you should jump 2 by 2. That is, the sum is given 2. So 2 by 2 you should jump it. And at last you count how many times you count. You jumped. Yes, counted. Yes, 5 times. Isn't it? Okay. And the second sum. And the second sum is 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 3. And I return the number from 0 to 18 on the line. At the equal distance, write neatly. Okay. And you should starting from the 18, because the first number is 18. So you should starting number from 18. How many numbers you have to jump? Yes, 3 numbers. Already they given the sum 3 numbers. That is the divide. That is the multiplier, isn't it? That is divisor. In that multiplication means divide multiplier, and here division means divisor. And here 3 numbers you should jump up and leave the 18, 1, 2, 3. So jumped up to 15, and 15 leave it 1, 2, 3. And each time you should jump the same time. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 3. Up to 0 you should jump. Up to 0. And how you jumped? That is towards here, just left hand side. So you should put the arrow mark here. Okay. So how many numbers? 3. And here also 3. Here also 3. Here also 3. 3. 3. And now count how many times you jumped. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times you jumped, isn't it? So that is the answer. 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. So 6 is the answer. Have you understood thoroughly? And this is the number line. You should write very neatly. Okay. Thank you, students. Today's assignment work is the classwork note. You should write the classwork note very neatly. That is the second up to second Roman letter. Okay. And the 2 sums only. Okay. 1, 2 sums only. And the next you should write in the book exercise also. That is page number 66. You should write the book exercise. And also in the page number 42 and the 6th one you didn't finish, isn't it? Yes, you should write the physics exercise as well as 44th page, 7th exercise. Okay, again I'll tell, in the book page 42, 6th exercise fully, and the 44, 7th exercise fully. This sum only. Okay, and 66 here. Already we written the sum 18 by 3 and 10 divided by 3 and 2 in the note. Okay, you should write the here full sums only, and here you should write. Okay, and as well as you should write the note work also. And take photo, take neatly. Okay, take photo and say attach it. Okay, thank you for watching. We will meet in the next class.